Hi everyone, and welcome to another video. See, it's been a long time since I have posted any video, so let's start with it. So today we are going to talk about Module 5 of IBM Data Science, Course 6. And in this, you can see that we have some questions regarding the exercise that we did previously on this course. So the first question is, what is the total number of crimes recorded in crime table? So the questions can be jumbled across the test and but the context would be similar. The question might come in a different way, the pattern may be different, but the questions are similar to what they have asked before. So the first answer is 533. Second is, what is the following, which of the following is the correct query to list community areas name and number with per capita income less than 11,000. So we have to write a query where we have to give the name and number of community areas where per capita income is less than 11,000. So if you are familiar with SQL, you might understand the questions what they are asking. So in select a statement, we have to write the community area number and community area name from the table name where per capita income is less than 11,000. So this is the correct answer. Third question is, when you list all case numbers for crime involving a minor, how many rows of data are retrieved? So total two rows of data are retrieved. That is the correct answer. Fourth one is, which of the following can be used as a query for identifying all kidnapping crimes involving a child? So what are we looking for? All the kidnapping crimes. So the crime type would be kidnapping, and the description is like child. So if it involves child, whether child is being kidnapped or child is involved in or child has witnessed the kidnapping, so all kind of things in the description should be consisting a child at least. So what we are going to do is, we are going to do select star from the table where primary type is kidnapping as discussed in the question, and the description is like child and percentage. So that means that wherever in the description, if the child is there, it will be picking up that row and it will be giving in the result set. So that is the correct approach to do it. Fifth one is, which of the two following clauses did you use to get the unique list of types of crimes records in a school? So uh, we have to do distinct and we have to do like. With the help of this, we can get our unique list of types of crimes recorded in the school. So, sixth question is, what was the average safety score of middle school? So, the average safety score of the middle school in the previous exercise was 48. Seventh one is, what would you add to the following query or to the list five community areas with highest percentage of households below the poverty line? So, select community area name from census data, order by household below poverty in descending order, limit to 5. So we are going to order by this column and we are going to limit the result set with 5. So only 5 will be displayed, and apart from that it will not be displayed. Eighth question in the question series, where which community area number has the most criminal incidents? So when you will execute the query, you will find out that 25.0 is the correct answer, which has most number of criminal incidents that has happened there. Ninth question is, which of the following would be the correct way to use a subquery to find the name of the community area which has highest hardship index? So, what a subquery is? So, let me explain you in a simpler way. When we are working with nested queries, first the outer query is getting executed. When you are working with nested loops in like normal programming concept, you write for of something something in the first line, then in nested you write again for or while. In that case, what happens is, inner execution starts first it will go execute the one loop, then whole loop within the that loop of nested loop will execute, and in the same way Here what happens is select community areas from and where we have to execute where when you are talking about the execution order of execution uh, after from where is executed. So it is taking data from census data, then where is getting executed. In where we have a select clause which is giving the max of hardship from the same table. So it is taking max of hardship and it is matching the hardship index. And if it is matching in the hardship index, that particular rows are selected as the select statement. So in that way, the execution happens from starts from then where clause executes. In the where clause, we have the nested queries. So nested query will execute and give the results, and the where clause will match the results, and the respected rows will be thrown out as the final result of the query. So that is the correct answer. Tenth one is what is the name of the community which with the most number of crime? So that will be Austin. So I think yeah, that will be all for this uh, graded quiz. And from my recommendation, you should work on your SQL. That will be helpful through your data analysis and science career. And I think yeah, that will be all. And I'll be uploading many videos on Tableau soon. So stay tuned. Thank you.